we'll guide you through how to find Procreate brushes on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gumroad's website by typing gumroad.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the page. You'll need to click on it and type Procreate brushes to start your search. After entering the term, press the Enter key on your keyboard. You'll be taken to a page filled with various listings of Procreate brushes. Each listing will have a thumbnail image, a brief description, and the price. You can scroll through the options to see what's available. When you find a set of brushes that catches your eye, click on the listing's title or image to be taken to its dedicated page. Here, you can read more details about the brushes, such as what they include and any specific features. If you decide to purchase, you can click the I want this button, which will be prominently displayed on the page. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and payment information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. After your payment is processed, you'll receive a download link, either directly on the page or via email, to access your new Procreate brushes. Remember, Gumroad offers a wide variety of brushes, so feel free to explore different artists and styles until you find the perfect set for your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.